Imagine a world where sunlight never reaches the surface, where temperatures are freezing and the pressure is so intense it could crush almost anything. Now, what if I told you that this place isn't some alien planet, but right here on Earth? Welcome to the Midnight Zone, the deepest part of our oceans, and you know what? This zone is more similar to Mars than you might think. Today we'll explore these extreme environments and ask, could life survive here? Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about the Midnight Zone. This is a place where light from the sun doesn't even reach. It's a vast, pitch-black abyss that stretches thousands of meters below the ocean's surface. The temperature is freezing, close to 4 degrees Celsius, 39 degrees Fahrenheit, and the pressure is a crushing 1,000 times that of sea level. Creatures here have adapted in incredible ways to survive, much like the kind of survival we imagine alien life forms might need in harsh environments. Let's take a look at Mars now. The red planet is cold, dry and barren, much like the Midnight Zone. The average temperature on Mars is about minus 60 degrees Celsius, minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and its atmosphere is thin, offering no protection from solar radiation. Sounds familiar, right? Both environments are inhospitable by Earth standards, but that doesn't mean life couldn't exist. In fact, scientists believe that extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme conditions, could survive in both places. So what's the link between these extreme environments and the possibility of life beyond Earth? In the Midnight Zone, we find creatures that defy everything we thought we knew about biology. Glowing jellyfish, fish with translucent skin, and bacteria that thrive in complete darkness. Similarly, on Mars, researchers are looking for signs of ancient microbial life that might have existed when Mars was wetter and warmer. Both places teach us that life is adaptable and it might be more resilient than we think. Now, let's think about the possibility of life on Mars. Scientists are currently exploring whether conditions on Mars could have once supported microbial life. With its harsh surface conditions, the planet's subsurface is the best candidate for where life might have survived. And if life can survive in the darkest depths of our oceans, who's to say that life, even in microbial form, isn't surviving beneath the surface of Mars today? And here's where it gets even more fascinating. This isn't just about Mars. What if beyond our own solar system there are planets that are even more extreme, with conditions similar to the Midnight Zone or Mars? Scientists are constantly looking for planets in the habitable zone, where liquid water might exist, and where life, as we know it, might thrive. What we're learning from the Midnight Zone could provide clues to understanding life on other planets. Movies like The Martian and The Abyss have already imagined what it might be like to survive in these extreme environments. But what if the truth is even more exciting than fiction? Perhaps the idea of life in space isn't so far-fetched after all. By studying the Midnight Zone, we're not only learning about the creatures living here on Earth, but we're also preparing ourselves for what we might encounter as we venture further into the unknown. So, the next time you look up at the stars or dive into the depths of the ocean, remember this: the boundaries of life aren't as clear-cut as we once thought. Life might be tougher, more adaptable, and more widespread than we've ever imagined. And just like in the Midnight Zone, we're only beginning to uncover the secrets of the universe. Who knows what we'll discover next? Want to explore more mysteries of the ocean and space? Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know what you think about life beyond Earth in the comments below. Until next time, keep questioning everything and keep exploring.